Want to enjoy the warmth of your electric fireplace but can't find the remote? Don't worry. Today we'll show you how to turn on an electric fireplace without a remote in just a few simple steps. First, locate the manual power button on your fireplace. Typically, it's hidden along the front, under a panel, or on the side. This button is your quick access solution for turning on the fireplace. Once the fireplace is on, you can adjust the heat and flame settings manually. Most electric fireplaces allow you to control flame brightness, heat levels, and even the timer directly from the control panel. Some models come with additional features, like thermostat control or special effects. These options can all be accessed via the control panel without needing a remote. If your electric fireplace has Bluetooth or Wi-Fi capabilities, you may also be able to control it using your smartphone. Download the corresponding app and use it as a virtual remote. And that's it. Whether you've lost your remote or just want a backup option, these simple steps will help you turn on your electric fireplace with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips.